Hello guys! In this video I will show you how to add HTTPS to a website for free using Let's Encrypt. So, first we should go to Let's Encrypt website and click on Get Started. We will use a tool called Certbot. This is a command line tool which adds SSL certificates from Let's Encrypt to your website. Here you should select a software. I'm going to use Nginx since it is used on my server. And here I pick Ubuntu, but you should select that system which you use. You will see a quick instruction what you should do next. Now we should connect to a server via SSH. I am already connected. Run apt-get update. Usually this command takes some time, but I will speed it up. If you use latest Ubuntu, then common properties are probably already installed, and repository universe is added, but I run it just in case. Then add Certbot repository. Now we should install Certbot itself. Installation is complete. Let's run Certbot and specify our domain where we want to add HTTPS. You will be asked to provide your email. I would recommend to add redirect from HTTP to HTTPS, as it will add extra level of protection to your website. Yay! Certificate is now successfully generated and Nginx is configured. Let's check it out. Website is loaded with HTTPS. And here we can see information about current certificate. Okay, now let's test how secure this certificate is. For this purpose I use website SSL Labs. Type your domain and click Submit. My results are cached, so I will clear cache first. After all checks are done, we have a score B. It's not bad, you know, but we can make it better. But before we jump into it, let's check if automatic renewal of certificates works. Let's Encrypt generate certificates only for 90 days. Certbot provides a possibility to renew these certificates automatically. And yes, it works. You shouldn't do anything else. Certbot will take care of renewal process. Our next step would be to add extra security. But first, let's check what certificates were generated. We will need this information later. Open Nginx configuration. Find Include with SSL options. Comment it out. In the description of this video you will find the code. Simply copy and paste it into your Nginx config, somewhere after this commented line. Last step. Add trusted certificate. Here you should add a path to your chain certificate. Now we can save file and exit. It's always a good idea to test Nginx config after modifications. Everything is fine, and now we can restart Nginx. Let's go to SSL labs again and rerun test. After these small manipulations, our security level became A+. It would be better to configure also a firewall on your server. Let's check if it is enabled. In my server, firewall was disabled by default, and I should run activation first. Okay, it is active now. Nginx provides own rules for firewall. We need one which is called Nginx full. Also, don't forget to add a rule for SSH and OpenSSH. Everything is done. Our website is accessible via HTTPS and our server is secured by firewall. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. I will be happy to help. Thank you for watching.